Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to screen record on your Mac using internal audio. First with Edimakor and then with QuickTime Player. Let's get started. Part 1. How to screen record on Mac with internal audio using Edimakor. Start by launching Edimakor Screen Recorder. If you don't have it yet, download it from their official website. Before recording, click on the settings icon. Go to the audio tab and make sure the microphone icon is enabled. Next, choose the area you want to record. You can record the entire screen or a specific window. Now, click the record button, and Edimakor will record everything on your screen, including the internal audio. To stop recording, simply click the stop button in Edimakor. Your recording will be saved automatically. When the video is recorded, you can edit it with Edimakor's powerful AI tools, stickers, transitions, and elements. Once you're finished, you can export and save it into your computer. Part 2. How to screen record on Mac with internal audio using QuickTime Player. Now, let's move to QuickTime Player. Open it from your Applications folder. In QuickTime, click on File on the menu bar and select New Recording. This opens a new recording window. Click the small arrow next to the record button. Select Built-in Output to ensure it captures the internal audio. Hit the record button. You can either click to record the entire screen or drag to select a specific area. To stop recording, click the Stop button in the menu bar at the top of the screen. Finally, go to File and select Save to store your recording. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.